Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Upasana Taneja. So we have a question today where we are given that 27 raised to power x minus 23 raised to power x is equal to 200, right? And we need to solve it for x. So whenever you have this kind of thing, that a raised to power x minus b raised to power x is equal to any number, anything, okay? Try to always observe the pattern, okay? Observe the thing. What is the relation between a and b, okay? Because whenever you have a number here, that number is always for a reason, okay? So if I observe this question, if I see here 27 plus 23, I try to see the relation between a and b, okay? 27 plus 23 is equal to what? 50, right? And if I see 27 minus 23, that is equal to 4. Now I can somewhere relate that 50 and 4. And if I multiply 50 with 4, what will I get? 200. That means there is a meaning or a relation between these two and this here. Okay. So now I will try to solve it. Solution here. I will write 27 raised to power x minus 23 raised to power x. So this 50, if I write it as 50 times 4, that won't affect the equation, right? Okay. Now, since I know now the relation between these two, a and b, like 27 and 23, what can I do here? I can write 50 as 27 plus 23, okay, and 4 as 27 minus 23, okay. Now, we can see that this is nothing but a plus b and a minus b, right? So left hand side will remain same, okay, and right hand side will be equal to a square minus b square, right? So if now if you look at this is what? This is nothing but it is telling us that x is equal to 2. Now you can compare. Whenever you have these kinds of question where it is like difficult to calculate, you always try to compare. And in comparison, you always try to make the basis same. Okay. Here, if you compare these things, you will find that x is equal to 2. Okay. And we are done. So whenever you have this kind of question, always try to see the link between these bases a and b. You will definitely find the link with the right hand side because there is always a reason to give this number, okay? And you will finally get the result. So if you like it, do subscribe to my channel and you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook for maths riddles. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.